Hello, I'm Jade Pritchard and I am a performer and also a teacher. So I teach singing and dance and drama. So today I'm going to be doing a super quick, because we've only got 6 to 7 minutes, a super quick singing and vocal warm up with you, because you always have to warm up before you sing. Your singing instrument, it's a muscle like any other muscle. So you would do a stretch before you ran and a warm up before you ran, or for example, you wouldn't just jump down into the splits. If you're a dancer, you'd have to stretch and warm up first. It's exactly the same with your voice. It is a really delicate muscle, so we have to warm it up. So we're going to do a few exercises, as I said, as quickly as possible. Usually I'd spend a good 20 to 25 minutes doing a singing warm up. We haven't got as much time, so I'm just going to do a few different exercises which gives you a bit of an idea of what you should be doing. So first of all, just open your mouth really wide to get all the muscles moving. So just stretch it as wide as you can, and small and wide, and a big cheesy grin. And then you're going to take your tongue around your teeth, all the way around them, 8 times one way and 8 times the other way to get your tongue ready. And back the other way. Good, and that should start to ache. If it doesn't, do some more. So, you need, when you're singing, you use your tongue, you use your mouth, you use various different parts of the anatomy around here. So we have to get everything warm and ready. Now we're going to do some lip trills. Now these are great because it checks up you're breathing correctly, that everything, is working as it should be. So we're going to do a lip trill. It's like you're blowing a bubble through here. If you struggle to make that sound, put your fingers here, relax your lips. If your lips are tense, it's not going to work. So just go, keep on doing that until you do it. What we're going to do though is on a little scale. So we're going to do, okay, all the way up. Ready? And. One more. Now it might feel a little bit itchy. That's good. It means it's vibrating, so it's gonna cause an itchy or a tickly sensation. So that's good. Now we're going to do something called a siren. Now it's a really small sound, and it's almost like a dog whimpering. It's a okay, and we call it a siren because you go up and down like a siren on, I don't know, a police car or an ambulance or something. So it sounds a bit like a siren. What I want you to do is open your mouth wide, put your tongue behind your bottom teeth, like so, and just make that whimpering sound. Nice and gentle, nice and soft. It shouldn't hurt at all. It's just getting everything moving up and down and making sure that everything's there. I always do this of a morning. It's great to do of a morning to check that the voice is still there. So we're just going to go and slide all the way down. Okay, ready? And one more. Also, just to say, obviously I'm doing all of this in a female octave. If you're a gentleman taking this, you can sing it in your octave, so below, down an octave, down 8 notes, wherever fits most comfortably for you. We're now going to we're just going to get everything moving a bit more with some mouth movement things. So we're just going to go me, ma, 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 me, ma. Keep it nice and bright, smile, because the difference is if you sing like this, me, ma, 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 me, ma, it sounds dreary. As soon as you smile and brighten it, me, ma, 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 me, ma, sounds much nicer. So smile, lift those cheeks, and off we go. Ready, and me, ma, 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 me, ma. 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 Two more. Me, ma, 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 me, ma. Me, ma, 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 me, ma. Good. Now we're just going to do a fun tongue twister, to get the mouth moving, because sometimes you have to sing, big phrases with lots of words or a quick song or something. So now we're going to do, all we're going to say is the tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. Okay, we're going to go up in a scale. Ready? We'll do it medium sort of speed. Ready? And the tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. And then back down. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. Tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. The tip of the tongue, the lips and the teeth. Good. And we're just going to finish with one more exercise. As I said, there's so much that you can be doing. You can be doing vowel sounds, lots of mouthy things. As I said, I'd usually go on for a good 20-25 minutes usually in my classes, or if I'm doing a warm-up myself. But we're just going to finish with a nice cheery, all we're going to sing is I like to sing and I sing all day long. Okay, an arpeggio. I like to sing and I sing all day long. All the way up. I like to sing and I sing all day long. I like to sing and I sing all day long. I like to sing and I sing all day long. I like to sing and I sing all day long. I like to sing and I sing all day long. Two more. I like to sing and I sing all day long. Last one. I like to sing and I sing all day long. Good. So I hope you're feeling a little bit warmer. As I said, there's so much out there that you can do. And I hope you've had a fun few minutes doing a nice warm up and you're now ready to sing. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.